What's up, everybody? Today I have got a special treat. Stick around and I'll show you what it is. Man, I have to credit my wife for this recipe. She spoiled me when I got married, man, because when I grew up, man, there's chili that come from a can. And my mom, she'd put it on hamburgers and hot dogs, and it was great growing up, you know. And then when I got married, I figured out that you could actually make chili, and it wasn't just magical stuff out of a can. And then, oh man, I got spoiled. And her mom handed it down to her, and she changed the recipe a little bit. But man, you got to give this a try to step up your grilling game. Just to make anything better, you got to put chili on it. So this recipe is really simple. First of all, we're going to start off with a half a pound of ground beef. The leaner you can get, the better. This is 80-20, but if you can find something that's leaner than this, that's great. So we have that, and we have a quarter of a cup of unsweetened ketchup. This is like G. Hughes or Primal if you want to keep it keto friendly. We have 3 tablespoons of chili powder. Now it's not chili without chili powder, right? All right, we got about 1/8 of a teaspoon of pepper, 1/8 teaspoon of salt. We've got a teaspoon of onion powder, teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and you can use regular mustard, that's okay. A teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, the W sauce, and a half a teaspoon of sweetener. That's a packet of stevia that we're using. You can go more or less. It just depends on your preference there. And really the only thing there is to do is combine this in the pot. So let's get to mixing it up. So yeah, since I'm cooking outside today, I'm going to be putting some burgers on here in a little bit. I figure I'll just utilize this burner here. If you have a side burner for your grill, you can use it there while you're grilling. But I just kind of mash everything together, and we're going to let it simmer and get to the right consistency, and it'll be delicious after a while on a burger or a hot dog. Well, here you have it. It's simmering up. And while we're here, just let me invite you to like and subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. Man, I appreciate you being here. If nothing else, hit that thumbs up down there and just let me know you're watching today. And we'll let this get done. It's going to be delicious on these burgers today. All right, I've just pulled my burger off the grill. I'm going to assemble this thing and give it a taste. I know it's going to be delicious, so I got my toasted chaffles here, and what I'm going to do is just put a little bit of the G. Hughes sauce on the bottom. Now, I like the burger sauce. I just put a little squirt on there. And then I'll set my meat on there. And then I'm going to put me some of this delicious chili on here. I know it's going to be good. This chili sauce. Just like this, kind of pat it on, and then add some pickles and some jalapenos. Oh yeah, put it on there and press down. And my friends, we have a good old chili burger. Let's taste it and see how it is. That is incredible. Friends, let me tell you, this is very customizable. You can add more or less of things and make it like you like it. But man, it kicks a burger up to another level. It is so great. You better have some napkins close by because it is a little messy. And when you get all that stuff going. So there you have it, man. One of the most versatile toppings for hamburgers and hot dogs. If I could only have one topping for a hamburger or a hot dog, it would be chili. So give it a try, put it on a hamburger, customize it or do whatever you want with it. But hey, until next time, happy grilling, and may the Lord bless you.